Alright, so my tire melted to the ground. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So I had plans to go to the track today.
Bruh.
Whoa. I had plans to go to the track today, but weather's nasty, so we got other things we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be messing with the Durango. Gonna get a tire fix on it. So the question is, should I mind my Durango, or would y'all be interested in seeing me do things to the Durango? Because it's honestly not a bad truck. I just treat it bad. So let's get this video started. Alright, so this is the Durango. Y'all haven't seen. It's in some of my videos where I'm riding a Durango. I don't really show it much. My actual first video was on the Durango. I think it needs. Oh yeah. I need some power steering fluid. But my very first video was on the Durango. I'm probably gonna redo that video because it's been a long time. But just like my car, I'm having problems with one of the tires on here. So right now I'm airing it up so I can go and change it or fix it. So hopefully they can just fix it. But if not, they'll change it and give me a brand new one. Alright, so we weren't gonna take the Durango, but I forgot. Y'all can hear that. Durango needs some power steering fluid. It's been sitting here for almost still sitting on the full tank. Matter of fact, I got home Saturday and it's been sitting here since then. It has a little power steering leak. So we're gonna have to take the G8 and then go pick up power steering fluid, then go get this tire fixed on it. Put the heated seats on. My fiance just used the car too, so gotta scoot it all the way back. Gotta adjust my steering wheel again. Okay, let's go ahead and put these presents back in the car also. Presents and cups are tripping out. Oh shit, I'm gonna fit. Yeah, we're gonna have a little fun in the G8. I mean, it's a little wet, so it's a little wet. Might as well slide around a little bit. Come on now. Where you going back up at? Oh, the sides all toe up. Not really looking like they hit something. They want to take a chance. Alright, y'all, so I finished shipping it. It almost cost me $100 to ship all this stuff out. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, y'all, so I call my truck Big Clifford. obviously, because it's red. So we're gonna check to see if we can get the tire replaced, or maybe get it plugged or whatever. Check to see what's up with it. But yeah, so this video is really about the truck. Anybody that's subscribed to my channel or not subscribed or thinking about subscribing or whatever, would y'all want to see me kind of do some things with my Durango? Because I mean, it's a 99 Dodge Durango. It's the SLT model, so it's a 4x4, and I pretty much got every single option that you could probably get on it, except the leather seats. So I even found the I'm gonna have to show y'all that, but I even found the original sticker, and back in the day this was like a $40,000 truck. So even the fender flares was like an option, an extra option to get. But yeah, so I was thinking about I've been watching Boosted Motorsports. He has a I'm gonna put a link to the video that I seen, but he has a boosted, he just boosted a, I don't know what year, but it's a Dodge Dakota, which is basically almost the same thing as the Durango, except, you know, like the truck version, and this is the SUV version, kind of like the Silverado and the Tahoe. Basically the same thing, except one is an SUV, one is a truck. And that one has the 5.9 in it, and this Durango has a 5.9 in it. I'm not sure if it's the same motor at all. Because he put headers on it, all that good stuff. I've been watching his videos. I'm thinking about maybe doing something similar with the Durango, but at one point I wanted to lift it, but I don't really want to lift it anymore. See if I can make it a little quick, but also keep it like an off-road vehicle. Because to me, this Durango is like an off-road car. Now, if you go to like the newer Durangos, I guess a 2019, 2020, that body style, I feel like those would be like fast SUVs in a way, if you can make it, especially if you get like the SRT. I don't know, I feel like those are like road trip type vehicles. Like this Durango, I feel like it's a road trip type vehicle, but also a off-roading vehicle. It has 4-wheel drive, so I don't even think that the Durango's come with 4-wheel drive anymore. I think they come with all-wheel drive, which is a little different. It is a 99 with 136,000 miles on it. I do drive it pretty harshly, from going back and forth to the rig, and the roads are pretty harsh and stuff. So I mean, the truck pretty much stays dirty, honestly. But parts for the Durango is pretty cheap. Like, I can get a lift kit. I can do like a little eBay lift kit for like $200. I really want an expensive one I saw for like $400, which like is cheap for a lift kit. Alright, y'all, so we went to go and take the tire off at the place that I bought it from, and he said that the lug nut was cross-threaded. I never took it off, so I don't know. I don't know how that happened, but he said the lug nut was cross-threaded and they couldn't get the lug nut off, so they sent me to another place, to a guy who can get it off. I'm not gonna have to pay for anything, so that's pretty good. Said things happen, and it is what it is. So I'm heading. I don't have to pay for anything, so that's a plus right there. So heading to this guy, and hopefully he can take it off and patch the tire up and all that. Hopefully it's just a patch and nothing's wrong. You know, there's no puncture on the side wall or nothing like that. So we're about to see. Alright, y'all, so as y'all saw, yeah, they had to, like, I guess burn it off or whatever. So now, oh, this has been a long. Damn. But like I said, you gotta think I should start modding my Durango. I feel like I got two interesting vehicles. I got a Pontiac G8 GT, which you really don't see, and then I got the 99 Dodge Durango 4x4 with the 5.9 in it, because not all of them came with the 5.9. Some of them came with, of course, they had the V6 one, and then there's a smaller 4. 5.9? I'm not sure. It's like, no, it's a smaller version. The smaller V8, it's not the 5.9. Apparently somebody told me this 5.9 also came in the 2500s of that year. And of course the gas. But, I don't know. Like I said, two interesting vehicles. 4x4 Durango, and then I got the G8. So G8 definitely don't always get mods or get something new or change something up. But let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Leave me a comment. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.